Hello traders, welcome to today's class. We hope this video helps you to become a best trader. In today's class, we are going to cover what is price action and the different candlestick formations, the different candlestick components. Well, price is represented by a candle, and that is seen by the upward and downward movement on the Forex chart. So if you want more insight about price action, we have our website, that is www.hashforex.ug. You'll find there some PDFs of price action. So if you're more interested, you can go and check them out. Well, in today's class, we're going to cover the components of our candle and their formations. If you're having our candle, this will be our sell candle, and then we shall also have our buy candle like that one. So what are the components of buy candle? If you're having a buy candle, which is like this is the body, and the body is showing us how many buyers are in the market at that time, and then it has a top wick, and then it has a bottom wick. So this is the body. We say the body is showing us how many buyers in the market. This is the highest price, that candle, and then this is the opening price, that candle. This one will be the opening price, the candle, and this is the lowest price of the candle. So if this candle is opening, you'll see that this candle is going to give us our opening price at that point, and then it pushes up. When it pushes up, it's going to be it is going to form a top wick, leaving a bottom wick. That's said. So basically that's how the buy candle is forming. You'll see that candle can open like this here. It pushes up. As time goes on, that candle is going to get a rejection. After getting a rejection, it's going to leave a very long wick like that. So what does this wick show us? This wick showing us that this candle was once here up, but what happened? As time went on, the sellers pushed the candle back down, giving us our highest price there. This is the closing price, then that is the opening price. If you're in an uptrend, you're going to see that these candles are forming like this, having the opening price and then the closing price. After this candle closes, you're going to get candle opening above the previous candle, and then it continues. What does that tell you? Not only showing us that the buyers are just adding in entries. On top of these entries, on top of these entries, the buyers added in these entries. On top of these entries, the buyers are adding in. They're giving us this opening price and then the closing price at that. So by saying this one is giving us our uptrend. Why? Because buyers are just adding in positions. You're seeing that on top of these positions, we're having buyers giving us this candle. On top of these positions, buyers are adding in more entries, and then they're giving us that candle. So basically, that's how the formation of buys happen. Let us go to the side of the sellers. We shall have the same thing. If we're having our selling candle, which is like that, given that color, it also has a top wick, and it also has a bottom wick. The body, we said, the body is showing us how many sellers are in the market. The wicks are going to be showing us a rejection. that price tried to move in a particular direction, but what happened? It got rejected back. So this is the lowest price, that candle. This is the lowest price, that candle. This is the opening price, that candle. This one is the body, that candle. That is the closing price. That is the closing price of that candle. And this is the highest price, that candle. As the candle of sales is opening, you will see that it will give us the opening price at that point, and then it pushes down like that, closing at that point, giving us the highest price, and then left here the lowest price. There, we say that the wicks are showing us rejection, and the body showing us like how many buyers are in the what, how many buyers or sellers are in the market. So the bigger the body, the more buyers or sellers, and then the wicks are going to be showing us a rejection. If you're having sell candle, you'll see that it is going to be pushing down, but as time goes on, you're going to see that that candle is going to be rejected like that. So when that candle is rejected, it's going to be leaving us with this bottom wick, and that bottom wick is showing us that this candle was once down, but what happened? The buyers pushed it up, giving us our highest price of that wick, the closing price there, the opening price, and then you'll have the lowest price, that candle. So that's why if you're trading using price action, it's going to be very important for you to wait for the candles to open and close. So if you're choosing a time frame of your entry, you have to see that the candle has opened, then wait for it to close. Not these things of saying that the candle has opened with a very big body, and then you're forced to make entries very fast. So as you make entries very fast, then the candle starts rejecting, and we say, what do these rejections tell us? The rejections are showing us that this price is trying to go in a particular direction, but what is happening? We are being pushed back up by the buyers. So you'll see that these candles will have different names. Everyone will have a way of seeing the candle, but the most important thing is knowing what does this candle mean at this particular point. If it is having a long wick, what does that show? If it is having a big body, what does that show? So that was our video for today. Let's catch up in the next one. Give us in the comment section a video you'd love us to do next for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one.